Hey, beautiful people. I'm Lindy Ford, registered dietitian, functional clinical nutritionist, and nutrition detective. I want to talk to you about a supplement that has gained a lot of attention in the nutrition world over the past few years. In fact, it was relatively unknown up until about 3 years ago. Some people have called it nature's Ozempic, but is that really true? Whether or not, this is something I take every day and it may be a game changer for you. So in this short video, I'm going to explain what Berberine is, its incredible benefits, and one favorite brand that might be right for you. So let's dive in. So before we take the Berberine plunge, please take a minute to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell to receive notifications about upcoming videos. Also, if you know someone who is struggling with any of the issues, like maybe 90% of us, we're going to cover in this video, please forward it to them. The only reason I do these videos is to inspire you to live in greater freedom, and every single one of these videos does just that. So what in the heck is Berberine? It's a naturally occurring plant alkaloid with a broad range of biological effects that influence metabolism through lots of different pathways. This compound is found in several plants, including barberry, Oregon grape, and golden seal. One reason Berberine has attracted so much attention is that it appears to activate one of the body's central metabolic control systems, the AMP, activated protein kinase, or AMPK. AMPK functions as a cellular energy sensor or a master switch. When activated, it regulates blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, enhances fat burning, regulates energy production, and other processes in the body that help with the chronic disease epidemic that we're having today, right? Berberine's been used in traditional medicine for hundreds, maybe thousands of years. So I did an entire video on the AMP regulators, and that might be game changers for your health. So I'm linking it below. So please go watch that video after you view this one. Being this potent AMPK regulator is really where Berberine's benefits begin. I love all of these benefits, so I didn't rank them this time. Let's just jump in, okay? Berberine benefit number one, and this is huge, huge for me and many of you, it aids in blood sugar support. One of the most well-studied uses of Berberine is its ability to support healthy blood sugar levels. Beautiful people, almost everyone in my family has blood sugar problems, and I'd venture to say many of you do as well. Researchers suggest that Berberine helps improve insulin sensitivity, reduce insulin resistance, lower fasting blood glucose, and support healthy A1C levels. I think I just heard some angels singing, didn't you? That's amazing. Did you know how many people walk around with elevated blood sugar and insulin in our society? And most or many don't even know that they have these problems. Elevated blood sugar is the #1 driver of heart disease, not elevated overall cholesterol. Okay, it's really blood sugars that's driving this epidemic. So, do I need to say that louder for those in the back? It is so important. When cells become resistant to insulin, blood sugar rises and the pancreas must work so much harder to compensate. Berberine appears to help the body use insulin more effectively, allowing glucose to move into the cells where it belongs. For individuals with prediabetes, metabolic syndrome, or type 2 diabetes, Berberine may be a game changer. So please watch my video, The Ugly Truth About Insulin Resistance, to really understand what's happening on the inside of your body, in the cells. They're really so much being poisoned by insulin, and the link is below. Benefit number 2 is that it is it gives you weight management support. Another reason Berberine has become popular in its potential role is weight management. Now let's be clear, Berberine is not the magic pill. The results are not as dramatic as a GLP-1 receptor drug like Ozempic, but Berberine also doesn't have all the nasty side effects. Some studies suggest it may help support healthy weight loss by some of the same benefits we just covered with blood sugar. It improves insulin sensitivity, reduces blood sugar spikes, yada, all that. It supports appetite regulation and encourages healthy fat metabolism. I think I say this in every single video. Pretty much every one. Insulin is the #1 fat storing hormone. When insulin levels remain chronically elevated, it becomes so much harder for the body to burn stored fat. By improving metabolic health, berberine helps create an environment that supports sustainable weight loss efforts, right? And the key word here is supports. Nutrition, sleep, stress management, physical activity are all still the foundation. You just got to do the hard work, okay? Berberine benefit #3. It supports heart health. Like I said before, many studies suggest berberine may help support healthy LDL cholesterol levels, normal triglycerides, and HDL cholesterol. And so it just helps with your overall cardiovascular function. When insulin resistance improves, we often see improvements in several cardiovascular markers as well. Berberine benefit #4. It supports gut health. This is one that we don't think about, and the one that I've been studying recently and I didn't know about. And that is the research is showing that berberine may help support a healthy balance of gut bacteria. When your gut's happy, your body is happy and your brain's happy, okay? It also appears to have an antimicrobial property, which means it may help address certain unwanted bacteria in the digestive tract. In functional nutrition, berberine is sometimes included as part of protocols designed to support gut health. And then just benefit #5 is that research suggests berberine may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Since inflammation is linked to so many chronic health conditions, this is another promising area of study. So here are a few caveats before starting berberine, okay? As with any supplement, you must talk to your healthcare practitioner before starting, especially if you're on any type of prescription medication. For example, one of the benefits of berberine is that it lowers blood sugar levels, but you might also be taking a blood sugar lowering prescription medication. And if you take them both together, you may risk hypoglycemia. So talk to your healthcare practitioner and see if you can work out a plan to reduce your prescription medication, and that would be wonderful for you. All supplement companies are not created equal, and that goes for the berberine companies, okay? So supplement quality can widely vary. So choosing just the right one is so important. Fullscript houses my online dispensary, and I can confidently say that all of the berberine on this dispensary comes from reputable companies. It's just tough to know which form and type of berberine to take. I'm going to leave that for another video because it's a little bit complicated, but just suffice it to say that one of my favorites right now is XYMOGEN's ES-5. I think it's a really, really good supplement, and you might want to check that out. There's other good ones as well. As far as dosage, this is condition dependent, so work with your functional health practitioner, somebody like me, to figure out how much you need. Here's the bottom line, beautiful people. Here it is. Berberine is not the magic pill. There are no magic pills, okay? They don't exist. You have to start with the foundational health habits, and I've been teaching over and over and over again, real food and a nutrient diet, low carb diet, and all the stuff, right? All the stuff. But when used appropriately, berberine can be a valuable tool. It has been in my life. I keep my A1C at 5.1, and berberine is one of the things that has helped me, one of the things. If you're anything like I was in the past and struggling with all these blood sugar issues, weight loss resistance, fatigue, or metabolic health concerns, I'd love to help you uncover the root cause, create lasting health, and live in freedom. I see people from all over the country through telehealth, and in my office in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I would be honored to help you on this journey. You can learn more at lindyfordwellness.com or just reach out to me directly. My info is down in the description. So until next time, remember this, beautiful people. Good health creates freedom. Live in freedom. I'm Lindy Ford, and I'll see you soon.